So we'll write a C program to read and show the sum of items by using the array, guys. So let me go to my console. So Alt F new source file. So hash include, let me include the header file. So here is, I'm trying to perform the operation related to console output and input. So standard input output dot h I need to include. So my program execution starts from main. So opening closing curly. So main, and my program, I want to stop my execution of my program normally. So return 0, and here is get ch. So guys, to work with this, I need the size. So I will ask to the user printf. I want to ask to the user. Enter the number of elements in array, or you can call enter the array size, or element count, elements, or you can call items count. Okay, that item counts will become as a size of the array. Okay guys, fine. So I will ask to the user. So definitely here is, I need to use scanf. So here is %d, and I need a variable. So I will go with the scanf. So here I need count. So let me hold into the address of count. So here is the count. Now I need to ask to the user, please enter the elements to store into array. So I need to create the array. So let me create the array. So guys, input, or you can call items, input items. Okay, whose name, let me use here 100 at max. Okay, let me use here 500. You can use 500 also, or you can use 300 at max, more than enough. So guys, this is the array, input items. Now I will ask to the user. So guys, now I don't want to go for individually. So input items of 1, input items of 2, input items of 3. I don't want to read individually. I want to read dynamically. Okay. For that case, we need to use loop. So I will ask the user. So enter. So let me show here printf. So double quote /n. So here is /n. Enter %d items to store into array, input items int array. Okay, /n. Okay guys, so I will ask the user %d enter item. Okay, enter one item, or you can call items of 0, items of %d. So here %d :/n. Okay, fine. What should I do here? I need to keep one variable. So I need one variable. So let me use here. Someone need to, suppose I'm using here I. Okay, so guys, let me use here for loop. You can use for loop, or you can use while loop also. So start from 0. So here I must be less than my count. So here is my count, and here let me increase the I plus plus. So this is opening curly and this is closing curly. Okay, and here I will display I. So enter one item for. Okay, and here again I. Okay guys, so again I want to read the value. So how do I read? After reading the value, I want to store into that array. So guys, here let me read of type integer, and let me store into this input of items. I am reading dynamically. So input of items, what is the first element? So let me use here I. So first time I is 0. So enter 0th item. Enter 0th index item 0th index value. Instead of calling item, 0th index value for inputs of 0. Okay, so here is I comma I. What is the value has been entered by the user? I'm trying to store into address of input items. Okay, input items, guys. So here I'm trying to read the entered values. So logic to read values, read the values and store into. Why the network is lost, I don't know, guys. Again network loss, I think. Share. So let me try here. Guys, I'm audible. I'm audible to all. Because network issue and okay, guys. So here logic to read the values and store into input items array. Do you clear about this logic? Guys? First of all, I asked the user enter the number of size. So this size I want to iterate. Now I want to show all these elements and I want to perform sum. Okay, so let's write the logic printf /n and entered elements, or you can call items are. Okay, so let me use here /n and here colon and semicolon. Okay, fine. So let me print here, guys. As well as let me show the sum. So I need the counter. So guys, I need same for loop. So control C, I will use the same for loop and closing curly brace. So I'll keep here. So here is my printf and let me show here. So let me show here all the items one by one. So here's %d, comma, okay, otherwise /t, better. Fine, guys, comma, and here what is the size, what is the item name? I can use same. I'm trying to show all the items. Now I want to perform sum. So guys, first let me show this all the items. That's it, guys. Save the program and array 2 of type C program. So let me save here, save. Let me compile. So here's get ch, everything is there. So let me remove, control S, control F9. So guys, it is showing the error. Hash include stdio.h. What is showing that? Int main. So I'm using here void main. So he's written 0. So let me make it as a instead of void int. Control F9. Return type was wrong. What the issue I made? Warning. Its warning is there and return 0. Fine, guys, no matter. Warning, I don't care. Successfully compile and control F10. So guys, let me increase the font properties, console F9. So 24. Okay, fine, guys. I want to enter a suppose 6 elements. Okay, enter the size items to store into input array. What the mistake I made here, guys? Let me check here. Printf. So enter %d, I is 0, right? So scanf %d inputs of I. So I'm %. Okay, I forget to store here. I forget to show here counter, comma. So I need to show here count. So that's what you can see here. You can see here garbage value. So you can see a garbage value, guys. What is the garbage value? You can see here. Let me mark. So why is it right click is not working? So right click properties, or can I see here mark? So you can see this is garbage value for this %d. Enter %d items. So next time I'll go for size. Okay, fine. So I'll go for 6 elements. So what is the 6 element, guys? So I'll go with here 5. Next enter 0th element index 6, 7, 8, 9. So guys, you're running out of time. Like it, sir. Then let me go for 10. So you can see here entered elements items are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there. Now I want to find out the sum. means I read the values by using for loop. I read the value by using for loop and I display the value by using for loop. Now let us find the sum. Let us find the sum of items. So what should I do? Let us take a variable. Let us take a variable. So here integer sum initialize with the 0. Okay, and scroll down. So here I can count here. What should I do? Sum initialize with the sum plus. What should I do, guys? Tell me. Yesterday's logic only. What should I do? Oh, sum plus only I. Only I. Will it work? Will it work? You need to use input items of I. Yes, well tried, but somewhat mistake. Okay, anyway, this will also work. So this statement you can write. The same statement you can write in other way also. So how can they write, guys? So shorthand operator. It is also called as shorthand operator. Okay, this is also correct. Either you can use this way or you can use this way. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Can you write? Yes or no? Yes, we can write, guys. We can write. Now see, let me show you sum of elements now. Let me show you printf. Now let me show you /n sum of all items of array. All items is, so let me show here, is %d /n. Okay, new line, and here comma, who is holding my sum? Sum. So compile, Control F9. What the mistake I made, guys? So taking that before double space, Control F9. Again it's showing same. Let me check here what the issue I made. Sum plus, it also called, we can write. Yes, there are some space mistake, guys. Control F10. So guys, I'm asking the user please enter the elements. So let me go to font. So 36. Okay, fine. Enter the size of the elements. Enter the size for the elements. So I'm trying to enter the size. Suppose if I enter here 5. So let me enter 44. So you can see here last time I can see garbage value because I didn't mention the variable name. So enter 5 items to store into input items in int array. So enter 0 index value for input items of 0. I enter 44, next 55, 66, 77, then next 88. So you can see here, guys. Let me scroll up. Let me somewhat scroll up. Sum of all element is 330. Sum of all element is 330. Understood now? Understood, guys? Do you clear? Do you clear? Okay, guys, fine. हाँ बोला ना, please. Yes, tell me. Okay, I'll repeat once again, guys. Hold on. Let me take the backup because anyhow this meeting is going to finish within 6 minutes. I'll finish. So guys, मी परत लिहू का? Do I write once again?